Hey guys, my name is Divakar Ghosh. Welcome to Biolife Academy. Today I am going to discuss about the classification of carbohydrates through a quick revision trick. So let's go for it. Here we can see that carbohydrates can be classified on the basis of units like monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are carbohydrates with single units where oligosaccharides are carbohydrates with 2 to 10 units while polysaccharides contains more than 10 units of monosaccharide units. The monosaccharide units can be classified on the basis of aldehyde or ketone group, cyclical structure, or the number of carbons. The aldehyde or ketone group, that is, if the carbohydrate contains aldehyde group, it is called aldose sugar. Example is glucose. If it contains a ketose group, then it is called a ketose sugar, that is fructose. While we can see that on the basis of cyclical structure, we can classify it in pyranose and furanose form. If the carbohydrate forms a 6-membered ring, it is called pyranose. And if it forms a 5-membered ring, it is called a furanose. Examples are glucose and fructose. The number of carbons is also a basis of classification of monosaccharides. Here we can see if the carbohydrate contains a 3 carbon, then it is called triose. If it contains 4 carbon, then it is called tetrose. Similarly, if it contains 5, 6 and 7 carbons, it is called pentose, hexose and heptose. The triose sugars can be aldose or ketose. The examples are given in that form, that one is aldose and one is ketose. The examples are triose, glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone. Erythrose and erythrulose are tetrose sugars. Ribose and ribulose are pentose sugars, while glucose and fructose are hexose sugars. The example of heptose sugars are pseudoheptose and pseudoheptulose. Now coming into the oligosaccharide classification, we can see that it can be classified in different bases, like number of units it contains. If it contains 2 monosaccharide units, it is called disaccharide. If it contains 3, it is called trisaccharide. Similarly, if it contains 4 and 5 units, it is called tetrasaccharide and pentasaccharide. The example of disaccharide is lactose, which is contained of glucose and galactose, while another example is sucrose. It contains glucose and fructose. A trisaccharide is raffinose. It contains glucose, fructose and galactose, while a tetrasaccharide is stachyose, which contains glucose, fructose and 2 molecules of galactose. Verbescose is a pentasaccharide which contains glucose, fructose and 3 molecules of galactose. These are basically arranged in the form of chain with the help of glycosidic bond. We will discuss the glycosidic bond in another class. Now coming into the polysaccharide, it can be classified on the basis of unit and function. If it contains same units, it is called homopolysaccharide, which is made up of identical monosaccharide units. Examples are starch and glycogen. While if it is made up of different monosaccharide units, it is called heteropolysaccharide. Examples are hyaluronic acid and pectin. On the basis of function, they can be structural or storage. The structural carbohydrates are cellulose, pectin, etc., while the storage carbohydrates are starch. So through this trick, you can study the carbohydrate in a very short time and revise it very quickly. Biolife Academy is organizing different courses for you. If you are interested, you can contact us through the following number. Thank you. If you like the video, then you can like, comment, share, and also press the subscribe button and keep on the bell icon also. Stay scientifically curious.